Are your calipers the only thing holding your custom build back? The rusty, dusty, boring eyesore behind your wheels? Car lovers, you deserve better. That's why AOOA Racing Caliper Covers are the easiest upgrade you can make. Forget hours of messy painting, curing time, and tricky prep work. Skip the expensive, complicated big brake kit installation. With AOOA Racing, you get a clean, factory-finished premium look in minutes. Precision engineered for a perfect fit. Just simply put the caliper covers, and with our patented safety buckle design, nylock bolts, and nuts, safety is guaranteed. No bleeding brakes, no messy paint. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, AOOA caliper covers don't just look incredible. They help reduce brake dust and keep your wheels cleaner, longer. Choose your color with over 17 different choices. Choose your style. Stop just dreaming about a better look. Go from stock to stunning in less than an hour. AOOA Racing Caliper Covers, the easiest, fastest way to elevate your ride.